So y'all, it is time. It's time for me to take out my braids. It's been a while and I had fun with them, but it's time to move on to my next hairstyle. Make sure I moisturize and take care of my own hair. But let me tell you one thing. People always encouraging knotless braids, knotless braids, knotless braids. You know, it's the new trend right now. But what they ain't telling you is getting these suckers out is a problem. Let me tell you one thing. You see that right there? It's gonna take me a while to get this about my head. I don't really know what to do. So right now I'm just using the back of my rat tail comb, but if y'all have any better suggestions to help me get it out, let me know. Now I did go ahead and cut a little piece of my end. You know how you think you have more hair than what you have? You have me stopping right here, but you gotta cut way down here just to make sure. That's what I did. I just wanted to make sure. So now I'm gonna just have to struggle with all, I don't even know how many I have, 60, 70 braids in my head. And then I don't know what my next hairstyle is gonna be. I don't know what I need to do. Ooh, you hear that lightning out there? It's bad. I need to go to my actual hairstylist and get a blowout and trim. So I think that's what my next move is going to be after, you know, I wash my hair and everything. That's going to be my next move. Let me see here. Hold up, I got to look real close. Okay, I see some strands up here, but we going to come right there. See this length? Some of y'all grow hair fast. That ain't me. That is not me. You gotta make sure. Gotta make sure I keep what I have. Because I need it. And it needs me, whether it knows it or not. Alright, let's see something else. Nope. Now, normally if I had bigger braids, I could take it at the ends and go like this, pull fairly tightly, and it'll unravel. But since they're so small, or smaller, they're not terribly small. But since they're smaller, it's harder for me to get it out. So yep, I'll probably, what time is it now? It is 7:31 right now, so we'll see. I'll see how long it even takes to get all of this out of my head. Of course, my child is in the next room on an iPad for now. I just gave it to her about 15 minutes ago. So, we'll see. I'm gonna have to take breaks and stuff to, you know, tend to her, see what all she doing, what all she gonna want, because she gonna want something. And then the lights that just went out for a quick, I say 5 seconds, but they went out. So now I got the air off, and I might need to turn it back on because I didn't want it to, what you call that, flickering or whatever it's called. I didn't want it to do that for too long and end up messing up the AC, because baby, we need that. It's hot out here. It is hot. Actually, my fiance sent me a picture when he was getting in his truck the other day. It said 103 degrees. I was born in the wintertime. I'm not ready and not used to all this. Actually, I saw a TikTok that said we need a new sun because this sun that we have been wilding. Or, no, what it said was bring the old sun back because this new sun that we have out here is wilding. Y'all seen that before? That video? I know it's on TikTok, but who knows? It might be roaming around on the other social media sites as well. Oh gosh. So yep, that's gonna be my day today. I had fun yesterday, but today that's what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do right here. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing today. Or the rest of my night, shall I say. Ouch, shucks. And then another thing with knotless braids, after you take that weave out, I'm used to being done with that braid. I still have to come back in and unbraid my natural hair. So yeah, and I wanted to try to do the center pieces first, just in case I had to go somewhere or something happened, because I know this is gonna take me a while. So you know, I won't look too bad. Throw that sucker up in a ponytail or a bun, and you know, do whatever I have to do until I finish taking it out, and I won't look too crazy. Comment down below you all's way of taking out your knotless braids. Am I doing it right? Am I not doing it right? I really didn't look up any videos. I'm just going off of what I'm used to doing. That is it. That is all. I'm thinking of some more videos to do, some more style videos, but also some more videos with JQ. That's my little boo. Yep, but he's been working so much, so we had to take a break. I don't want to, you know, wear him out. We still have a child to take care of, and I don't want to wear him out. But I got some ideas, and I just need him. Shout out to all my new followers and all my new subscribers. Please comment so I can see who you are. I don't know if there's a way. I'm talking to my YouTube people now. I don't know if there's a way that I can see you all. And if there is, let me know that as well, because I don't know. We've been gaining a few, thank God for that. And thank you all. Hopefully you stick around for a little while and not dip out on me. But if you do, I guess I understand. But yeah, let me know if there is something, you know, just gotta make sure we're gonna go a little bit lower than that. If there is something or some way that I can see who all are my subscribers. That's my baby just walking in and out. Because I want to know who you are. Well, let's say the one thing. The girl who did my braids, she detangled me pretty doggone good, I can tell you that. Okay, many more to go, so I'll be back. Okay, so the time is now about 8:30 p.m. and we are still rolling. I did go ahead and I cut it. I hope I did good. I just cut a whole bunch of them off because I got tired of cutting and going and cutting and going. It was just a little bit too much. But we're still rolling. My baby's been coming in here, checking on me, giving me some hugs. But yeah. So just wanted to check in. I'll check in a little bit later. Whew. We pushing forward. It's 9:40 p.m. right now. I have 12 braids left. But I think I'm going to take a break and get my child together for tonight. And then it's probably going to be an all-nighter. It shouldn't take that much longer to finish this, but I'm going to for sure at least, it just look horrible. I'm going to at least condition my hair. Put some conditioner in and try to detangle and get these shed hairs up out of here. I will say one thing, it does still feel soft. Now it's dirty, but it feels soft. All right, I'll be back. Yeah, this is my last braid, I think, anyway. I'm pretty sure that it is. And baby, I am ready. It is the next morning, by the way. Well, the next afternoon is 12 o'clock today. After I got my baby in the bed, I wasn't no good. Anyway, I'm about to finish this last braid. And like I said yesterday, I'm gonna put conditioner in my head and detangle and see how much how many shed hairs that I got that I'm getting out. My baby is in here. So before the shampoo, this is what my shed hairs look like. I know, gross. It's a lot, and I know there's some more to come. If I condensed it down, it'll fit right into the palm of my hand. Okay, so this is what my hair looks. I just took my twist out before I washed it because I'm gonna resection it, excuse my daughter. And then I'm going to be using the Mielle shampoo. What is this? Pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling shampoo. This is my hair. Finally washed it. I washed it, conditioned it. And this is what they look like without product. Still got a little heat damage right here. So, on to styling. I have no clue what I'm going to do. But I don't have that much time. It is almost 5 o'clock p.m. So I got to come up with something fast. As you can see, I'm definitely 4C. If you have any comments of hairstyles that'll work fairly well on 4C hair, please comment down below and let me know. Okay, so this is what I came up with. Of course, I got my hair jewelry because you know I love my hair jewelry. And I used the Mielle moisturizer, Hawaiian ginger moisturizer and hair butter on my hair. And after I took out the braided hair and everything, I still have this much of shed hairs. It sucks. If it's one thing that I really don't like, I really dislike seeing my hair come out of my head. I want my hair to grow, even though I'm not doing everything that I should be doing to try to make it grow. And I think I'm going to start, because I know at one point in time I had good results with this Do Grow Stimulating Hair Oil. It might be a scam, it might not be, but I did have some good results with that. Now I will say at that point in time I was also using biotin, taking biotin pills, but we'll see. I'll see what I might actually try it out, do that and get some more biotin pills. The only thing about that, you have to drink a lot of water with it. You know, I already have acne prone skin. Anyway, this wasn't even supposed to be like anything. But anyway, this is my hair, and I'll see y'all in the next video.